Using the AI Studio helps you easily automate your lead management. Now you can connect your workflows to smooth out your follow ups by using this new trigger, helping you send notifications, emails, or create opportunities, and more. Let's learn how to use it. Navigate to the AI Studio tab and enter the prompt Retrigger Form Integration. Connect the form to CRM tracking. Publish the project by clicking the button in the top right corner. In your workflow, add the trigger AI Studio Form Submitted. This feature will help you automate any necessary action when a form is submitted, with an advanced filtering option to limit the triggering to specific projects and support for external tracking. Existing forms will continue to work with the external tracking form trigger. No need to update them if you want to keep using that trigger. So, re-triggering the form integration will allow you to use the new AI Studio Form Submitted trigger for easier management. We hope you enjoy it.